For me, health is more than eating. Health is more than living without fatigue or losing weight. Health is expanding my spiritual, my mental, my emotional, and my physical health. And by doing that, I become a highly spiritual being. I'm more than my physical body, yet my physical body is part of the tools I brought into this world to experience life, to forgive, to resolve, and to grow into my perfect self. Life is a personal journey that you might not even know you're on, and my channel allows you to open up to the magnitude of living in a safe space. You'll get to see your actions, your behaviors, your health, your wellness in a totally different light. A light that's going to shine this kaleidoscope of possibilities on your health. There isn't one path to wellness, but there are themes, and themes you can learn so that every step you take on your path will create exponential growth within you and within the universe. I'm going to share with you what your grandparents used to know and what their grandparents used to know. Ancient wisdom from thousands of years ago. Wisdom that was safeguarded. It was rarely shared. And if it was shared, it was only with a few handpicked people. And I'm going to take my time to explain this wisdom in the language of the 20th century. Before I started off on this channel, I really did have to think about, did those restrictions on safeguarding still make sense? The ancients, they used to think that you had to be careful who you shared the information with because it was so powerful and influential. A bad person could use this information to harm others. We live in a really different world today, and what I've seen of bad people is they're just too lazy to put the effort in to become their perfect self. Today, our world is wealthy beyond belief, and one of the deadly sins of wealth is sloth, the reluctance to work or to make an effort. And even the I Ching recognizes that after this great exponential growth, this great wealth, comes darkness. So after extreme wealth will come a period of decline before the light can come back. But the light will come back. I think the world is different today. I see so many struggling to heal themselves and to find answers, and there are so few answers out there. I see them crawling into their addictions and not finding their way out, and I think it's worth opening up and sharing. And when I was in school, training to practice Chinese medicine, one of my instructors watched me practice, unhindered by decades and centuries of ritual and routine, and he said, the next great move in Chinese medicine is going to come from the West. And why is that? Because we are not hindered by their centuries of indoctrination. I believe him. I'm part of the new breed of practitioners striving to reclaim and recover our physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual health. And you cannot be truly happy if any one of these is out of balance. And yet, there is so little information to help you start pulling each one of these components back into yourself and integrating yourself back into one whole person. What will you find here? You'll find how the body works, how the mind and the spirit of you works, and you'll find that the physical body isn't separate from the rest of you. The mind doesn't live by yourself. Your spirituality, your mental health is mirrored on your physical body and into your world. You're going to learn that life is a private and personal journey of wisdom and reclamation. Are you practicing clean eating? You'll learn how to take that to the next level. You'll learn the internal alchemy of foods, and by expanding your understanding of foods, you're going to be able to select foods that will repair your health. And you'll learn about using herbs to rebalance your emotional and spiritual planes so your body can follow you to a place of better wellness. Hi, my name's Kim. I'm a licensed, certified Chinese medical provider trained at one of the leading Chinese medical schools in the United States. I'm a Taoist practitioner, and this format, social media, is an awesome format to share this ancient wisdom. And you might be asking, why is that? Why is social media such an awesome format for this wisdom? Because Taoism is a very personal journey. It's a solitary journey. You don't do it with a group. And sure, there's going to be times when you need to hook up with your practitioner, your mentor, your guide in person. This format doesn't stop you from doing that, but what this format does is it allows the foundational information to get shared more widely. So you can think about things in different ways and think about what that means to you. It shows you how you can take ownership of your life to start directing your way in the world. Your life, your journey, it's personal, it's private, and it's all about you. Good luck, and thank you for becoming part of the community.